Three Little Pigs. Adventures of the Three Little Pigs. Three Little Pigs. Retold and adapted by Soup Krause, the Story Lady. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs. They were brothers who lived with their mother. One day, their mother told them that it was time to move out and live on their own. Each brother was given $100 to get them started. The brothers were nervous at first. They never lived by themselves. At the same time, they were also excited to have a new adventure. The first pig's name was Charlie. Charlie was the youngest brother. He didn't like to work or complete chores around the house. As a result, Charlie decided to make his home out of straw. He decided to build his house out of straw because it was cheap to buy and easy to work with. The second pig's name was Sam. Sam was the middle pig. He liked to bake. During his free time, he would create new recipes. His favorite recipe was double chocolate cupcakes. To have extra free time, he decided to build his house out of sticks. Sticks were easy to find in the forest, and they were easy to use. It also didn't take much time to build a stick house. The third pig's name was Ben. Ben was the oldest in the family. He was also the most generous. Ben loves soup. He especially enjoys sharing his soup with others. Ben decided to build his house out of bricks. Even though bricks are expensive to buy, they are very sturdy. It took him a long time to make his home, but he thought it was worth it. The pigs were not the only ones living in the forest. Nearby was a house that belonged to a wolf. He wasn't very friendly. He was lazy and always looking for something to eat. One day, while walking in the forest, the wolf saw a house made out of straw. He decided to go to the house to try to look for something to eat. The wolf knocked on the door. Charlie looked out the window to see who it was. The wolf saw Charlie. Charlie saw the wolf. Charlie quickly and quietly hid from the wolf. The wolf got angry and started to yell at Charlie to open the door. Charlie stayed quiet. Then the wolf said that he would blow the door down. Instead of the door falling, Charlie's entire house fell. Charlie was scared and quickly ran away to Sam's house. The wolf looked through the straw, but he could not find the pig or anything to eat. The wolf was very frustrated. Nonetheless, he decided to continue his stroll in the forest on his quest to find something to eat. During his stroll, the wolf saw another house. This time the house was made out of sticks. Once again, he decided to approach the house to look for something to eat. He knocked on the door. Charlie and Sam peeked out the window to see who it was. The wolf saw the pigs. The pigs saw the wolf. Charlie and Sam quickly and quietly hid from the wolf. The wolf got angry and started to yell at the pigs to open the door. The pigs stayed quiet. Then the wolf said that he would blow the door down. Once again, instead of the door falling, the pig's entire house fell. Charlie and Sam were scared and quickly ran away to Ben's house. Meanwhile, the wolf looked through the pile of sticks, but he could not find either pig or anything to eat. The wolf was very frustrated. Nonetheless, he continued on his journey through the forest to find something to eat. During his hike, the wolf saw another house. This time, the home was made out of bricks. Once again, he decided to approach the house to find something to eat. He knocked on the door. 3 pigs peeked out the window to see who it was. The wolf saw the pigs. The pigs saw the wolf. The pigs quickly and quietly hid from the wolf. The wolf got angry and started to yell at the pigs to open the door. The pigs stayed quiet. Then the wolf said that he would blow the door down. This time, the door and the house did not fall. The wolf was surprised, but he did not give up. He looked for another way to get in the house. First, he checked the front windows. They were all locked. Then he crept behind the house. He saw a ladder. The wolf decided to use the ladder to climb to the roof. The pigs heard the wolf on the roof and wondered what he was going to do next. Then the wolf saw a chimney and decided to climb in it. Ben heard the wolf and thought maybe he was inviting himself to lunch. All of a sudden, the wolf slid down the chimney. Then the wolf landed in the pig's lunch, which was a pot of hot soup that Ben was cooking. As soon as the wolf landed in the soup, he let out a scream, "Ah!" and climbed back up the chimney. Charlie, Sam, and Ben were relieved that the wolf did not stay. They were not sure if he was a friendly wolf. The end. Until the next time.